This is the help function which I'm going for. I suppose this should be implemented before this. That's how we called it. Okay, cool. I have something to work on here. And I guess I have to write something decent. Syntax of okay. I have I have what all flags are run area of the test run from TestRails. Okay, and I have a C path to collection and I have what I have one more thing and one more thing. E path to collection. Okay, and I don't mind, but these are the options, but I have flags here. Some are flags, some are definitely needed. But yeah, whenever the option is triggered, I don't want. Wait, did I? Okay. So I did not get the error. So I guess only came clear and exited. I hope this goes well. And exit is something which I can use in future if I want to. Awesome, right? Yeah. God must have made coffee with more care. Okay. Let's just get on with the bandwagon. And yeah, I guess I have to print version here if I can. But why do I want to handle version? Okay, let's just say V. And I will add one more thing. B, and I'll say current version. And I exit. I can make one more function called current version. And it'll have somewhat like echo on 0.0.1 v come on, man. V 0.0.1, and if I awesome. Okay, exit not found. Hello world. Why the hell exit was not found? Oh, my bad. And now we should work fine. Yep. Let's do this. And yeah. I want to give them a way for them to edit the constants file to this file, which I have my data here. I want to make sure that they can store something here if they want to, and I want to make it persistent so that unless they have a flag that they can use on me, I don't want to give them the option to re-enter every single time. So how do I make that happen? That's a whole different scenario. That's what I'm thinking right now. But let me update the things which I did now. Mm, the help option, rest of the flags that are important, important A for user understanding. Okay. Yo, is it just me? Like, is the world sleeping right now? Hmm. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay. The thing seems to be going pretty decent as so far. I wouldn't expect the same amount of liberty going further, but it seems fine right now. Yeah, let me remove the unnecessary gibberish I'm doing right now. And I guess there are a couple of more things which I have to handle. And HW is not something which I'm interested right so far. And number of echo statements is kind of pissing me off. I wouldn't question them. You know what? I can just move these things into entirely new file called help, and I can just call them in the main thing. Oh damn! So I can make help dot sh help dot sh, and I can just go there. What's wrong with this? Okay, help dot sh. I can paste it here, and yo, where did you go? Yeah, main dot sh. I can just let me check if I have help dot sh with me. Yes, I have help dot sh with me. So I can delete this thing out and just source help dot sh. Ah, V is doing fine. H is fuck. Flag not given. What's wrong with H now? Oh, nope. Fucked it somewhere. Yep. So how do I add more? Oh, can I just do something like this? H. Will it do the same shit? Nope. How to add multiple shits here, man? So HVF flag. I can I just say HV as one flag? Huh? Okay. Lucky guess, but yeah, that seems to be working. Really lucky guess, but that seems to be working for some weird reason. God's on my side today. I guess God's on my side today. So if I move the entire thing to help, so yeah, add a description of the function here. Functions here. Yeah, I don't wanna to add something here. Syntax of templating. Yeah. all the things which I have here are run ID, collection, and environment collection, and version if people are interested in it. But I wouldn't bet my horses on it, given the option. Hmm? Okay. So I want to give them a way for them to input all the things in the collections. Or is there any way? Can I? Okay. Uh, okay. Ways for making user store what do I call this thing now? I'm really confused. It's just that like I don't want to have like I don't want to make them store constants via code or via execution. So I want to make my tool have those things. So basically what I'm trying to make right now is like if I run this and say I want to change the API key, I can just say API and enter some gibberish, and that gibberish should be reflected in constants. So I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but given my motivation, I guess I can give it a shot. What do you think? Not sure. You can comment down below if you feel like I'm kind of confused right now. I'm in a confused state right now, but I'll figure things out. At the end of the day, I want to get my agendas done and move, and I want to ship this product by the next 2 days of stream if possible. A new viewer, here to have an interaction if you feel like. And the question is that have you ever wrote bash CLI tools? If you do, that would be really helpful for me right now. And I love coffee, by the way. People should enjoy coffee more, at least it keeps you active for some time, and it's like if you over consume it, it's bad thing for you. What do you say? Over consumption of coffee can ruin your complete body state. I wouldn't want to be in that situation. But yeah, let's go back to main, and yeah, we have our options here. People starting to flow in. I guess I don't make most interesting content so far, but I guess bash is fun. Bash is fun. Like it's not that bad. And yeah, so just go and make sure that we are getting how to make user store variable in a bash CLI. If I can get something. This is not something I'm looking for. This is not something I'm looking for. How do I put it in normal sense? I am not even sure right now. But yeah, what I'm looking for is more peculiar to users, not the builder. And I can make a flag for each of the thing, but will that be helpful? I'm not sure. So I want to make it more visually easy for them so that they can just go down and type. But given the option constants, I have a hell lot of things to do. And I want what can I do right now? Stream, any idea? Any idea? I don't like to repeat myself more, but I would appreciate it if you guys can come up with some shit. Honestly, yeah. but fairly decent moment so far. I'm trying to figure out how this shit is gonna take off, and all I can think right now is like, I wanna remove this thing, but where do I put it? You know what? Yeah, personal, personal.sh, and I'll keep it here so that I don't frequently open it. Not sure. Yeah, main. I can just say before constants I source personal.sh, and everything should be working fine. And let me build this part out. Constants. Yep. Like I can make a flag out of each variable, and yeah, if I go to main, I can say get options. Yeah, and go to constants, and I should have another layer, or I can just write it here if I want to. Come on, man. Like I wanna store it fast. And yes, not so good. Not so good. That's it, baby. So I should have the flexibility of changing my domain. It's a capital thing. API key, project ID, run ID. I already gave the flexibility for it, and suite ID. And for every command, I wanna persist it somehow. So let's just say D for now, and I don't want help. I just want to change echo domain changed, and for A I can just say API, sorry, echo AP, come on you piece of shit, API key changed. What do you say? API key changed, and I can just go in and say domain, and domain changed. A command not found. A domain changed, but I guess I don't get arguments with this. Can do options. Gotta go back and get flags. Come on, baby. I can just sort out the difference here and say while GitHub flag options, I can just go in here. I can say flag, and do is same. And in case, and just say flag. Fuck it. I'll just do the entire thing again. Okay. Come on. So I want D A P S, and yes, I want arguments for each of the thing, and D, since they are constants, I guess capital letters will be more thing because they are least frequently used. So I can just say what do I want to say? Okay, whenever this shit is triggered, I want to make sure that domain API project, and this will be test, sorry, suite, and I want to echo each of the things out. Echo dollar domain? If so, if you got something. So yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm getting a. And if I get domain here, will it be persistent? That's the meat and whole thing of it. If I can make this domain be persistent, or I can just say export. What's the domain thing? I can just come back here and try to export this domain. If I can do this and print env, wow, I got more shit here than I can expect. But I can just go into my main file, the thing where most of the operations happen. I can just say, instead of echo dollar test domain, yes. So come on, baby, move there, move there, move there, move there, move there, move there. Yep. So if I get my updated test domain, that will be a success. Aha. Okay, collection flag not given, but I wanted to echo that shit, right? Where is it? Echo test domain. Like, did it reach here? Did it reach here? I'm not sure if it reached here. Was me triggering something? So constants are coming. So should I do it somewhere in the line here? Not sure. Not sure. I want to make sure that all the capital things are properly done, so that when a user try to change his or her environment variables, it will be easy for them. So making a tool which is user oriented would help me succeed getting more people onto this thing. So that's what I'm thinking so far. But yeah, if I can make it happen, it's gonna be superbly awesome. And hope it can be superly awesome. Who doesn't want it to be awesome? But awesome really pisses me off sometimes. But yeah. So yeah, let's just say const, and yeah, let's harpoon mark the thing. Yes, I have constant main harpoon marked, so I can just toggle between them easily now. Since I would be using them regularly, harpoon seems more nice. And harpoon can do this shit, so it's easy for me. A comment down below if someone used harpoon. I wouldn't say comment. Chat down below if someone used harpoon in their life. Because harpoon is more fun nowadays that I try to figure it out. And domain TestRail domain will be this, and I can just write echo changed here and go to main file and check. Come on, echo. And let's see, coming till here, and oh damn, it's working, it's working. And if I do some weird shit right now, okay, I don't want to do weird things right now. It seems to be working fine. Seems to be doing fine. Why would I want to mess with it? Ah, so let's just get this part done with. I can just go to constant.sh. I wanna move few things. Yep. And yeah, I can say nothing but I guess there are few breaking things inside this too. API. Mm-hmm. Dollar project run ID is not something which I'm concerned about so far. And I can just say, oh, suit ID, bloody hell. What the hell am I supposed to trying to do? Oh, dollar OPTRG. Don't throw me errors now. Throwing errors will puke me out. I'll fucking blow myself if there are any errors inside this. That's not a literal challenge, by the way. Literal challenges are painful. And humans are painful, god damn it. Yeah. So humans are the more painful human. Man, I'm crazy today. I saw few people walking by the stream today, but I guess Bash is not something people are interested in. But I would say that Bash is more interesting once you get to know what's happening inside it. And you'll be quite amazed just to know what all you can build in Bash, just Bash. So it's an interesting area. I guess you should give it a shot. What if they're not passing any arguments? Then it's ruined, right? So do I have to check for it? Oh fuck. That's gonna be a hassle, dude. I'll leave that out of the scope. I don't expect my team to be dumb. But yeah. Wait, where is the domain thing? Yeah. Now if I go say uh so every time I trigger this, I just want to say that uh can I write a function out of this which will no function will not do the thing. Okay, I just want to print the current one first. Echo if domain is triggered. I want to make sure. Can I function? Do I treat this as a function? Um, no, should I? No, I don't think I should. And I also should have a flag or I mean a print all kind of thing. I need an option. Okay, I can just go to help and say I need one more thing. P. And I can just say, come on. Prints all the NV variables told. Okay. So, so if I do the help thing now, illegal options coming till here. Why the fuck is it illegal? Hey fuck, what did I do to make it pissed? Main So what did I do to piss it off? Main.sh/help. Why do we? Oh, even V is not working. Double dash. I don't think so. So something is wrong with help. Option H and V. What did I do? What did I do to ruin this thing? Coming till here is not something which I'm interested anymore. Echo run ID is also not something which I'm interested anymore. Wanna refine this doc properly. Here, this is why I like debuggers sometimes. Okay, illegal option. I don't think that's an illegal option, brother. Nope. Okay, work. Nope. Why the hell is it illegal now? It was supposed to be legal, no? Come on, dude. Not supposed to be like this, but main.sh. I just want H now to work. Help is right here. Okay, something is ruined. Now I screwed it up somewhere. Let's just see. PD post track. Get status. Fuck. I have too many things to handle right now. I'll clean the code afterwards. For the first iteration of it, I'm not sure. Damn, I'm creating an encapsulation on things which I don't usually like, but for some reason I want to build this thing. Okay, the mess I made right now. Is it something to do with constant.sh having this? Huh? Is it somehow clouding my other thing? Um, I don't even know where I can store this and okay. How do you comment a certain number of lines in how to bash? Okay. Okay. This is how they do it. So I guess now it should work. Oh fuck well. So that shit is playing with this shit. That's crazy, man. Okay. Bash doesn't necessarily give me the flexibility of an entire language, but it's fairly decent. So I can't make both the things in one place. For what reason? Is it that like I have to go there and have these things inside them instead of? But I'm doing a flag here. So what if I just do it in flag style? Awesome. Both seems to be working fine. And I don't need this to be here anymore. But I can just say source help. Okay. I can finish this if I want to. Mm-hmm. Okay. I can just say main.sh.start will kind of help them out, but I don't know why I'm speaking right now. I just need to figure that part out. Figuring that part out is not that difficult though, but all I have to do is somehow make it so that that's in line with me. Mm-hmm. So can I do it here instead of doing the entire thing in constant.sh? I can just get this things uh, here. And get this thing here, and they should be doing fine from this place because the interruption is too massive for me to ignore, and I don't need this thing anymore. But I want to move this thing to the main file that will clutter the entire thing. I want to keep it clean, but I don't think clean is the agenda right now. I want to fix the part where I'm ruining the thing out. So I have the option to, but like they're not persistent. That's the problem. So I can add in a new run ID whenever I want. And given the option, I should have an option to print all the things there. Okay. Uh, just a thing like that's something which I think I should add it in, and I can echo everything out. Hmm. Okay, this is gonna be P, and hmm. mm, can say print environment variables. Okay, and this seems nice, and I can go to help and say I need a function called print IRONME variables, and yeah, the job of this function is to print the entire echo shit. Echo, I can just go to my const, and not even const, I have to go to main, and it's hard to get used to harpoon. I guess I could have done this in a jiffy, but okay. Echo run ID, and let's go here. Where do you wanna? Okay, I don't have help in my thing now. Mark it in harpoon. I have help in my third key. So yep. So just to test this thing out. And what's the current run ID? P. Nothing. Yo. Given. Nothing. Damn, bruh. So I get nothing out of this. Is it because of the order? I guess that's because of the order. Okay, constants being implemented, personal being implemented. I guess this is the last shit to deal with, and it is supposed to display something at least. Uh, Come on, dude, like, help me out here. Okay, so now it's fine. Yes. Yes. Fuck. Let's just go to help, which I served in the third key, and I end up using. Okay, TestRail's run ID. I guess I can go to constant, get all those things, and go to help and say, okay, instead of export, I need echo. Format it for me, and yeah. So control V can do this. Okay, awesome. Echo. I could have done in the